video, I'll be sharing how I've been able to make dollars here in Nigeria and how I've been able to receive my dollars here in Nigeria. As you can see in these images, in these pictures, you'll be seeing that it is possible to actually make dollars as a side hustle here in Nigeria. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. And if you've seen our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button. For the valuable information I share, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share. So with that being said, also please let me know where you're watching us from. So now, as you can see in this video, it's me bringing out showing you guys cash in Naira and showing you guys cash in dollar. Now this is it. I earn money in Naira and I earn money in dollar. Do you know the feeling? You know that feeling when you enter the bank and you tell them I want to withdraw money, but I want to withdraw dollar. They'll be like, what? Now that is the feeling I want you to start having from today henceforth. Now you guys don't know, but this is one of my major streams of income, which is YouTube. Now YouTube pays we content creators. They pay us money, no cap. This thing we are doing here is not free. I'm sharing valuable information to you, information that you're finding useful. I'm sharing it with you, and in turn YouTube will actually pay me money for my services. Oh yes, you got it. YouTube will pay you money for your services. So what you need to do if you're setting up a YouTube channel now, please you don't have to wait till you have all the gadgets. You don't have to. Yes, you don't have to wait till you have all the gadgets. Some of you will say, I don't have a LED light, I don't have a ring light, this and that. You can use maybe natural light. Just place the screen of your phone and click on the record button. But before you do that, you need to get a niche you want to go into. There are different niches on YouTube. You need to get a particular niche that you want to start with. Even if you don't have a niche, just start. At the end of the day, you will niche down. Don't get me wrong, if you do not have a niche, you can actually start, and at the end of the day you will niche down. You understand? So that is how you can make money on YouTube. Now, making money on YouTube, how does YouTube pay you? You begin to wonder, how is YouTube actually paying these content creators? Now YouTube is actually paying us from the ads they play on our videos. Yes, now the ads that play when you click on this video, I'm actually getting paid by YouTube from that ad. We have ad advertisers that are paying YouTube a certain amount of money. Now in a month on YouTube, I cannot tell you how much I make on YouTube because every month varies. You can ask any content creators. Every month vary. There is no assurance that you get the same amount of money you got last month in this same month. You understand? But the point still remains that you're earning in dollars. There is a cash flow from the content you are creating. If you need me to tell you the type of content that you can create, please let me know in the comment section. If you need me to shed more light on the type of content that you can create on YouTube. Now YouTube is one of the highest paying platforms that you can come across. Then you have Facebook. Aside YouTube, you have other things that you do. Now on YouTube will create a platform for you to meet people, and will also create a platform for you to market your business or what you do on YouTube. So there are different ways that you can earn on YouTube. For instance, I earn on Telegram as well as in the community. If you see me post an ad on the community, it means that someone has paid me to post such ad. Now the second one is brand collaboration. Now brands will reach out to you that they want to collaborate with you. They want you to talk about their products, this and that. Now you collaborate with them and they pay you. Now the next one is YouTube shop. Now YouTube has a marketplace, like a particular shop where you can put up your stuffs, maybe like mug, maybe like Shopify items, or maybe like act items. You can put them up on YouTube, and when any of your subscribers or anyone buys from that shop, you get your money on YouTube. Now you making money on YouTube, you don't just come on YouTube and YouTube will start paying you money. There are some requirements that you have to meet. Before now, we used to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, but YouTube thought about it that people, it's not easy to meet this criteria, so they have decided to reduce the subscriber numbers and the watch hour numbers. So So they reduced it to 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Now please do not get me wrong, there is what we call consistency. There is what we call consistency. For you to attain those requirements, you have to be consistent. A lot of people don't know how to be consistent. They don't. But if you have to start making money on YouTube as a side also, you have to be consistent. Now you can choose your upload days on YouTube. Yes, you can watch videos on how you can start or create a YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos online about that. Then you start the channel, but you need to figure out the days that you'll be posting so that the algorithm will be able to understand you. A lot of you don't understand the secret about YouTube, that YouTube works in a way that you don't understand that YouTube is actually, the algorithm of YouTube actually acts like a robot, that when the robot is actually used to the time you upload, you understand, you don't miss it. If you decide to start uploading on Mondays and on Fridays, please don't miss it. If you're starting up, you won't be able to get your your audience analytics and all those things. But let me advise you, even if you can't get it when you start, the advice I would advise you is to be consistent. That is the main this thing to get money on YouTube. Be consistent. Choose a date and time where you will upload, and you will have it at the back of your mind that yes, my audience will watch at this time. You understand? If you're uploading 8 a.m, please make it 8 a.m. If you're uploading Mondays and Fridays, make it Mondays and Fridays. If you don't have long videos to upload on Mondays and Fridays, that's Mondays and Fridays. Once it is 8 a.m, upload a short. Yes, upload a short. You can even create the short from your long videos and upload. YouTube has already arranged it in a way that it is actually very easy for people, where you can bring out shorts from your long videos. So for you to make money online, this is one of my major source of income, because the amount YouTube pays creators, you don't want to know. You don't want to know the amount YouTube pays creators, because considering the economic situation of this Nigeria, whether dollar high, dollar less, Naira good, Naira bad, dollar will still be superior to Naira. Yes, whether it goes up or it goes down, they cannot come on an equal level. I'm not saying that future with them. You understand? So why not start earning in dollars? There is no payment of anything when you want to create a YouTube channel. It is absolutely free. So don't let anybody deceive you. Even if you don't know how to edit, start making videos. Start uploading videos like that, even if you don't know how to edit. And if you are thinking of a way to learn how to edit, use CapCut. CapCut is also free. Now once you create your channel and you have used CapCut, start editing your videos and you're uploading, use Canva to edit your thumbnail. That image or picture that you see first is thumbnail. Use Canva to edit it. Once you edit it, now how do you receive your money? Go to any Nigerian bank, tell them you want to open a domiciliary account, a DOM account. They will create the DOM account for you. It is as simple as that. Just go to any bank in Nigeria, tell them you want to open a DOM account. They will create a DOM account for you. Now sometimes you might want to be thinking, you might want to make a choice. And I actually recommend GT or Access. They are usually fast. I don't know for other banks, but I've not really tried them. But you can try GT, Access, UPA. They are actually good. I don't know for other banks as well, but I've not tried other banks. But if I've tried other banks as well, I'll let you guys know. But that is just basically all you need to start making money on YouTube. And damn, the money is forever. So don't let anybody tell you that no. YouTube money is the type of money that comes forever. It's not something that will pause. No. So that's one of my side also, especially earning online. I have other things I do that I will create a video about, just to enlighten us on how we can make money. You guys, I don't know. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't procrastinate. Start something now. Start something now. Don't procrastinate. With that being said, please let me know if you'll be creating a YouTube channel this year. Let's hit the ground rolling. So with that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.